Get on the ground now. Get on the ground. Get on the ground. On the ground now. On the ground. On the ground. I'm gonna tase you. Get on the ground. Get on the ground. On the ground. On the fucking ground now.
Illegal.
On the ground. On the ground.
Get on your
On
face.
the ground.
Get on your face.
On the ground.
Done nothing.
Get on the ground.
Illegal. We stop.
Get on the ground. I'm
That's
gonna
my
tase
car.
you. Get on the ground.
Hey.
Get on the ground
Call my
now.
mama.
Get on the ground
Call
now.
my mama.
On the ground.
Back
You got
up.
a warrant. Hands on your back, man. Grab his hand. We'll help you out. We'll tell you. We'll tell you.
This is illegal, bro.
Take you my stuff doing this.
See, we're getting.
Me too.
I love you.
I told you, bro. I told you. Out here.
Hey, man, we gotta
Cherish me out here. You gonna cherish me out here. You
Hey,
gonna
Ray, I'm
cherish
sorry
me
about that.
out
We
here.
got one in custody.
Hey, you gonna cherish me out here, son. Did I tell you? Did I tell you? Did I tell you though? Come on. Can I get one last kiss? Can I get one last kiss?
She'll be
I
okay.
just want to get one last kiss.
We will. We
Please.
will.
Please.
We will.
She pregnant, bro. And I really haven't even done nothing though.
Sorry, go
My
take your
car is
Go back
parked.
up there.
No fucking right to touch me.
Hey, man, we're sorry.
The
You
kiss.
gotta stay calm, man.
Record this shit, bro, cause I ain't done nothing. Get in my bag. Can y'all get on my bag?
No, not right now. Hey, man.
Man,
Calm
don't
down.
touch
You're
me.
okay. Calm down.
Fuck.
We're gonna go back to the car,
Take
right?
me in the car with y'all.
490 Fairburn.
Can y'all call my phone? Cause my car legit. Everything gonna be legit. I don't got nothing illegal on me. Everything legit.
Hey, friend, we're okay.
My bad, man. I'm gonna take this off a little bit, all right?
I'm good, bro. I just want to call my people. Cause I ain't done it.
You're
Hey,
fine.
put my stuff
That's
back on, please.
Yeah.
Babe, come put my stuff down, babe. I'm okay.
No, not right now.
No, can you put my...
We will. We'll let you.
Baby,
What you need me to do?
call my mom.
I'm on the phone
Because
with you. Hello?
I ain't did nothing. My car
Motherfuckers
legit.
talking about what? As soon as we hop out the car, they hop out the car.
And everything on me legit.
That's
Everything
fine.
on him was
My car legit, everything. I ain't done nothing.
We'll explain everything, man. What's your name?
I'm on a warrant. Man, y'all folks ain't asking no ID.
Okay.
Shit, that shit illegal. Oh,
Exactly.
You ran.
Exactly.
You didn't have time.
I didn't run.
You didn't
I didn't run to look at where y'all hopped out. I'm scared as hell.
Okay.
I don't know what the going on.
All right, what's your name, man?
I'm not saying nothing to my mom, call my lawyer. Cause I ain't done nothing. All my stuff legit, my car legit, everything. Y'all just pulled up on me, just hopped out on me. Of course I'm scared as hell.
Okay, we'll talk about it, man.
No, come record me.
So you can record.
Cause it's so illegal. They just pulled up on me and hopped out on me.
Hey, here's the tattoo.
Yep.
Oh, so it's him.
That's
Okay.
all I said.
I'm pretty fast, aren't
This is
I ain't
for
even run.
family. This is for family.
I? No more, man.
I ain't give a hug.
No more, man.
Fuck, move.